Now let us learn why to use comments. A well-documented program is a good practice for a programmer. And of course, one important part of good documentation is comments. In this lesson, we would be learning types of comments in C, the syntax for these comments, and when and why to use comments. First, learn why to use comment. In some industrial project, for a certain software or program, the code is not written by an individual programmer. Many programmers work on a single program most of the time. So to make the code more readable, explanatory, as well as well documented, comments are used in practice. Technically speaking, we can say that comments are totally ignored by the compiler and interpreter. They are not executed at all. There are two types of comments, single line comments and multi-line comments. Let us first learn a single line comment. Single line comments are represented as a double forward slash. It is used to denote a single line only. Here, #define age 6 tells that this constant is called age. Now when the other programmer would be using this code, he would get to know that this constant is called age. This is the purpose of comment. This is often called as C++ style comment, as it was originally a part of C++ programming. Now comes the multi-line comment. The multi-line comment are represented as a forward slash and asterisk, which ends with an asterisk and forward slash. They are used to denote multiple lines at a time. It can apply comment to more than a single line as shown here. It is referred to as C-style comment as it was originally introduced in C programming. Let's have a quick recap. A person reading a large code will be confused if comments are not used. Comments are used to provide details of the program. Comments are a way to make a code more readable by providing more description. Comments can include a description of an algorithm or the logic used behind an algorithm to make code understandable by the other program who is reading the code. And yes, comments can be helpful for one's own self too, if the code is to be reused after a long gap. So comments help in reusability. In the next coming lesson, we will be learning standard files and the function used for output and input.